Hello everyone. Welcome back to another exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Let's create random effect using Rotate tool in Adobe Illustrator. Draw circle 400 by 400 and inner 200 by 200 dimensions using ellipse. Copy and paste here. Align two circles horizontally, as shown. Select Object and go to Shape Builder. Press shortcut key =M, click on Object Create Shape. To deselect, press Alt plus click. Select Object, Fill Color and remove Stroke. Draw inner circle 300 by 300 dimensions using ellipse. Select Object and go to Rotate 360 degrees divided by 8 is equal to 45. Alt plus click for equal 360 degrees distribution. Ctrl plus D to duplicate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more creative videos.